Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are diving into a budget-friendly marvel that's shaking up the smartphone world. The Techno Spark 30C 5G phone. Imagine a phone under 10,000 rupees that don't just offer 5G support but also features like NFC for tap to pay, IR blaster to control your home appliances, and it doesn't stop here. With a 120Hz refresh rate, a buttery smooth visuals, a premium metallic finish and a rock solid durability. This phone is just built to impress. By the way guys, it's a sponsored video from Techno, but I'll share my personal thoughts. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, starting off with the unboxing part, so you have the device itself, then you get a USB Type A to Type C charging cable, a soft rubber case, followed by a user manual and a SIM rejector tool. First, let's talk about the pricing, because this is where Techno steals the show. The Spark 30C is available in two variants. One is 4 plus 64GB, that will cost you somewhere around 9,000 rupees, and next one is 4 plus 128GB, which will cost you around 9.5 thousand rupees. With bank offers and cards, you can get maximum of 1,000 rupees discount too. A 5G phone with these features under 10k, it's actually a very good deal. See, talking about its design and build quality, the Techno Spark 30C draws inspiration from a legendary Transformer movie. The metallic finish on the back feels premium, and at just 189 grams with a sleek 7.82mm profile, it's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to hold. The Midnight Shadow variant I'm holding is stunning, and other two options like Azure Sky and Aura Cloud are equally attractive. The phone is also durable as it's stylish, promising 4+ years of lag-free performance. Next up, the display. The Spark 30C features a large 6.67-inch HD Plus screen with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling of 240Hz. And using 120Hz, the device feels super smooth. You can play videos up to 2K at 60 FPS on YouTube. The visuals are vibrant, the transitions are buttery smooth, and the 480 nits brightness ensures excellent visibility even in the direct sunlight. Whether you are watching your favorite series or scrolling through the Instagram, this phone delivers a premium viewing experience. And it gets better, the phone is equipped with dual speakers, Dolby Atmos support and high-res audio support, both with wired and wireless. While you are gaming, watching YouTube, or just going to music, the sound quality is crisp and impressive. Techno Spark 30C is powered with MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor built on the power-efficient 6nm architecture. Combined with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, the phone handles everything from multitasking to casual gaming like a pro. So there's no point comparing the benchmark results, but in casual gaming, this phone might surprise you. While it's designed for general usage, I tested with games like Temple Run, Subway Surfer, and in all these basic games, it delivered a smooth experience. Also, even if you want to play games like BGMI, you can play that game too, but you won't get that buttery experience. But here, due to the support of dual speakers, the gaming experience gets enhanced in games like BGMI. We did play BGMI and it's not that buttery smooth. You get the 40 FPS support in BGMI on Techno Spark 30C, but for casual gaming of BGMI, you can play this game, but don't expect if you are a gyro player. The gyro isn't that good, I would say. It's not even reliable for gaming. So without gyro, if you're new to gaming and if you want to try out games like BGMI, this device can easily give you 40 FPS gaming. But with no doubt, even in games like BGMI, Call of Duty, you won't see much of frame drops. In terms of battery, this device is packed with 5000 mAh of battery, which can give you 1.5 days of battery backup with mixed usage. Whether you are streaming videos, playing games, or scrolling social media, the battery life easily lasts throughout the day. For music lovers, it can offer up to 22 hours of continuous playback. And when you need to recharge, the device also supports 18-watt fast charging, so you can get back the juice quickly. And another good thing about this device is the haptic feedback. Though it's not crisp, but it's very strong, and I'm sure you won't miss out on any of the notification or calls even if you have enabled the vibration mode. Now let's talk about the camera segment. So this device also offers impressive camera experience for budget smartphone under 10,000. It has single camera, which is 48 megapixel Sony IMX582 sensor, which captures sharp and detailed shots, especially in daylight with vibrant natural color reproduction. The outdoor images include landscape and textured objects like walls or fabric, showcase excellent clarity and dynamic range. Maintaining white balance between highlights and shadows, close-up shots stands out with fine details and pleasing bokeh effect. The 8MP front camera also delivers clear and well-lit selfies in natural lighting, although low-light shots can show some noise. Overall, the camera handles a variety of scenarios well, including macro, portrait shots with reliable edge detection. The bright outdoor scenes for casual photography, social media sharing, and everyday use, the Techno Spark 30C exceeds the expectations. And the good thing is this device can also record 2K 30 FPS video recording using the primary lens. It do have some amazing features like vlog mode, where you can select the categories and create your vlogs. Along with that, there are some other features like slow motion, time lapse, dual video, which lets you record video using the front and rear camera, and also things like sky shop, document and AR shots. So with no doubt, this device comes with tons of features when it comes to camera. Out of the box, device comes with Android 14 and Techno have promised 4 years of lag-free experience. They have their own skins called HiOS, wherein the current version is 14.5.0. In terms of software, I did not find much of issues. There are some bloatwares pre-installed, but yes, those are expected in this price segment. But most of them can be easily installed by long pressing on it. Overall software experience is quite good, it's smooth, I did not see any kind of lags, the support of 120Hz makes it more better, and obviously you'll have a good experience in terms of software also. It do comes with some personalization options where you can personalize the theme, you have the AI wallpaper generation, options to download online wallpapers, and it also has always on display. There are many options to customize the always on display and you can see a lot of AOD styles too. It also has some intelligent facilities like suggestions, smart accelerator which boost up the application speed. Then we have smart scenes which provides you convenient services such as real-time payment reminders and bedtime reminders. Then we have smart touch which lets you extract text from the pictures. And the support of dynamic port is another add-on which supports things like face unlock, calls, recording, etc. So if you are the one who is looking for a smartphone that offers unbeatable value without breaking the bank, then the Techno Spark 30C is a perfect pick. It's reliable, feature-packed and delivers where it's matter the most. So what do you guys have to say about this Techno Spark 30C smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. This was a quick review of this device. I hope you guys will like it. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.